2024 has been the busiest year so far for the Proper DIY channel, with over 18 million views, would you believe, across all the videos. And in the last couple of weeks, we passed the 400,000 subscriber mark, which I don't think is too bad for a channel that's been going just under 4 years. A lot has happened around here in the last 12 months and around the world. So today I'm going to mush it all together with all the best bits of the videos in there. So for the very last time in 2024, roll the intro. 2024 started with this huge anticipation of when is the general election going to be? Is it going to be early? Is it going to be late? When's Sunak going to call it? Lots of people in the UK keen to remove the Conservative government and put in a Labour government that are going to fight for the people and bring some common sense to Westminster. Many of whom were actually junior doctors that also on the 3rd of January announced a 6-day strike, just like they'd done the year before. Also in January, work started ripping down a small garden room. You'll remember the one that was built by the daughter of Captain Sir Tom Moore for the charity in their garden. See, I don't see a problem with that. I don't see why every charity doesn't need a spa and an indoor swimming pool. I just don't get it, really. While all that was going on here at Proper DIY HQ, I was showing people how to save money by building their own slat wall, installing doors, both internal and steel doors, and also fixing squeaky floorboards. So sit back and enjoy all the best bits of the videos between January and April. That wasn't too bad. That was about 45 minutes of cutting. I now have 4 times more timber than before, but they are just a little bit smaller each one, and I'm absolutely covered. This week I'm definitely going to have a bath.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night.
So let's talk cladding.
Never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go.
Excluding the door lining, which covers all this timber, I would recommend a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1 dilution.
We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage.
That's better, I can see now. So,
Saturday night.
oh wow. You must be joking.
Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We're playing loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh.
In May, the junior doctors were still striking, and then out of the blue, Sunak suddenly announced that the general election was going to be on the 4th of July. Now, it took Nigel Farage a few weeks to work out what he was going to do, but finally decided to throw his hat into the ring and run for reform, and subsequently got covered in a milkshake. Yep, we don't shoot people like at Trump rallies in this country, we just throw the odd McDonald's at them. And it was no surprise on the morning of the 5th of July to find out that Labour had won the election. They're going to form a government and just make everything lovely again. But it was a surprise a few weeks later to find out that the new Chancellor announced changes to the winter fuel allowance that upset literally millions of people, and including the unions, which is an interesting twist. But I was keeping out of all of that because May was a busy time for me. I went to Makers Central, as usual in May, had a little bit of a stall to meet the public, interview some famous YouTubers, and gave a talk on the main stage with some friends of mine, all from YouTube world, which went really well, and I must admit, it was a really fun weekend. Now, on the channel, coming from spring into summer, my focus turned to more outdoor projects like building a pagoda, building raised beds, and fixing wobbly slabs. So sit back and enjoy all the best bits of all the videos between May and August. Let me just explain how these wind out lugs work. Great thing about using this glue as well, when you paint it on, it's like milk. And then when I read the instructions, it says clean the brush with water, although it's called oil. Who are they trying to kid, eh? From No More Nows. To be able to fix these permanently. These are the ones I've just plugged in. So I think that's about as far as I can go, including long trousers. So I want this outside of the fence to be absolutely uniform. So with some general DIY skills and what you've learnt in this video, to put up a fence like this is completely achievable for the average DIYer. All you need is a bit of motivation, stamina and perseverance. We're in the final straight of the last 4 months of the year, and some things just don't change. In September, Just Stop Oil decided they didn't like the painting of the sunflowers in the National Gallery, so they covered it with paint. However, it does keep them off the M25, I suppose. In November, the government announced new rules about smoking near schools and hospitals and came that close to introducing it into pub gardens, which would have been interesting to see. Now, talking about the government, they've now been in power 5 or 6 months. So how does everyone think they're doing? Moving on to the videos, I produced 50 videos this year and a similar number for the patrons. They get a little bit extra every single week. And that's going to be exactly the same in 2025, plus a couple of additions that you might hear about on the 1st of January. So sit back, have a look at all the best bits of the last 4 months of the year, and I will see you in 2025. This is probably the roughest, most inaccurate tool I have in my collection. Now, you would have heard me talk about this before. So before I put the unit, into its final place, it is very good at sending me messages saying that motion has been detected. So you end up with a nice clean edge, probably best known in green. So I carefully put it in a wheelbarrow. Filler that you mix with water.